Hey everyone, this is Aisha of Event Decor and Designs by Aisha, and welcome to my channel. Well, today I have partnered with OnForU, and I'm going to be showing you some lights that they sent to me. We're going to go up under their website so I can show you the different lights that they do have. They have lights for events. They have lights for your home, which we all still love our home, even though we are event decorators and event planners. You all excuse my voice. My voice went out and it's trying to come back, but I need to go ahead and get this video out. All right, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I have a coupon code in the description box for you so that you can use in order to save on the OnForU lights. All right, so I'm going to be doing a backdrop. I have linked all of my backdrop tutorials in the description box, so make sure you go and check them out. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to do an unboxing so that you can see what they sent me, and then make sure you go on, we're going to go on the computer, we're going to go for OnForU, and I'm going to show you what they have, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, everyone, so here is the box that they sent me. So we're going to go ahead and take out the lights so that you can see them, okay? Alright, so here's how the box look. Alright, it comes wrapped really nice in this box. So let's go ahead and open it, see how the packaging is on the inside, how well everything is packaged. Alright, so what I did, I got the uplights. Alright, they have many different ones. So let me see. I think you can see this, okay? Alright, so oops. Alright, so this is how it looks. Alright, these are the lights. What I'm going to do, I'm going to place them shining up on my backdrop. So, you know, we as event designers and event decorators and event planners, we use lights like this in order to use them as uplights in our events. And it makes it look really, really nice. So I'm going to use those. That's one. I got the 4-pack. Alright. Here's the other one. And I have one more. And it's this one here, okay? And it has these little little things here on the end, okay? We're going to see what that's about. It comes with instructions, and they're called LED floodlights. Alright. It comes also with the safety guide for you to read. And what I love about it, it has 4 remote controls. So I have 4 different lights as I showed you, and it comes, each one of them have their own remote control. So here's the 4. Drop one. Here's the 4 remote controls right here. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and go to the website, and I'm going to let you see what all the different lights they have. Okay. All right, everyone. So we are here on the OnForU website, which is right here, OnForUleads.com. And as you see, it comes up with their logo here, and it comes up with US Shop and all the other things that you have across the top here. Excuse me. All right, so you can stroll down and you can see the deals of the week. And these are the different lights that they have. They have security lights. They have the LED floodlights. They have the RGB lights. All right. They also have the light strips. They have the black light, which is absolutely amazing for one time I did a glow in the dark I did a glow in the dark party for my oldest daughter, and this is absolutely amazing for a glow in the dark party. They also have security lights for your home or your business, and then you can go on down and find exactly what it is that you would like. Okay. And so the lights that I have the LED, the RGB, but I have the one with the 4, okay? So let's go ahead and show you how everything looks on my backdrop. All right, everyone, so here are the lights right here. I have 4 different lights. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and set them up using my I'm going to go ahead and set them up using my power strip. And I'm going to show you how the lights look. They are gorgeous to shine up on your backdrop or whatever the event may be for you. And I'm going to show you how it looks in the nighttime. It's absolutely gorgeous. So let's go ahead and set them up. All right, so one thing I want to mention, you will need one of the Allen wrench in order to loosen this up to adjust the bar. This is the bar right here. To move it up and down, you will need, I'm going to show you. This is an Allen wrench, and you just take it and just place it just like this to loosen it up or tighten it up, whatever you need it to be, okay? All right, y'all, so now what I'm going to do, I am going to show you how I'm going to be setting this up. So as you see, I have an extension cord right here. And I'm going to be plugging these lights from OnForU into the extension cord. Then once I get all my lights plugged up, I'm going to hide the extension cord, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. All right, now I'm going to show you how bright the light is. You see how bright that light is? Really bright, really nice lights. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust it so that it shines up on my backdrop. So I'm going to do all 4 of them the same way. All right, so this is the other one. And this is the last one that I'm going to go ahead and plug in. All right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust the lights so that it'll shine up on my backdrop in the way that I want it, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go ahead and hide my my extension cord. And I'm just going to place it under my backdrop, under my curtains, just like so. All right, so what I'm going to do with these cords, now I put, as you see me put the extension cord up under the curtains, I'm going to take the cord here that goes to the light and just place them up under the backdrop curtains also, okay? This is just to hide any wires because you don't want your wires showing. Okay. Okay, and just go ahead and fix your curtains back the way that you want them. All right. So this is how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights off so that you can see everything, okay? All right, so here's the remote that came with it. And as you see all the different colors here. This is just to change the colors of the lights. And around here, these are the different modes that you can choose: quick mode, slow mode. And I'm going to go over each and every one of them, okay? So we're going to change the colors while they are on the backdrop. All right? All right, so as you see, I have changed the color to red. So I'm going to change the color to another one of the colors that's here. All right. Okay, I'm going to change it to yellow. And what you do, you just point the remote at the lights and this will change it. As you see, that's absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm going to change it to the greens. They have different greens that you can change it to. All right, as you see, that is one of the greens. We're going to go to a darker blue. All right, as you see, that's the blue. And we're going to do a white. And that's a white. All right, so now we're going to do some of the different ones I showed you that's around the remote. So we're going to go to where it says jump. We're going to see how that looks, okay? So as you see, that flashes different colors. That's beautiful. So let's go to another mode. All right. So let's go to the quick mode. Let's see how the quick mode do. That's the quick mode. As you see, it goes really, really quick on the quick mode. That's really pretty for a party. All right. All right, so let me show you the slow mode. Okay, so that's the slow mode. It goes a lot slower, as you see right there. So I absolutely love these lights. These are so beautiful. As you see, the color is vibrant. The remotes work, the lights work, everything is amazing. Make sure you go and check out the link in the description box. I will be giving you 10% off your order, so make sure you go down and get those savings. Remember, this is OnForU. Thank you, OnForU, for sending me these lights. I absolutely love them. So now we're going to turn the lights back on. All right, everyone, so as you see, I have shown you my backdrop and I have shown you these lights. They are absolutely amazing, as you see here on my backdrop. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you go over to OnForU. Check out these lights. They have lights for events. They have lights for your home, whatever it is that you're looking for. And remember to check in the description box because I have a coupon code just for you. So make sure you go and get those savings, all right? So I thank you all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.